In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in Tinkercad. So there's a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you all of them. The most basic one is going to be to go into basic shapes, and you can use this text tool over here. You can just click on it and position it wherever you want. And of course, you can change your text via clicking on it. And then you want to click on the arrow down here, and you can see you can change your text over here. So we're going to say hello over here. You can then change the font as well as the height, the bevel, the segments, whatever you want to achieve. Okay, now whenever you've done this, click out and you have yourself some text. That's the first way to do this. But of course, the second way here is going to be to add letter by letter. So we have to go to click on here, the drop down next to basic shapes, and you want to switch this to letters and numbers. In here, you're going to have letters and numbers, switch over to letters, and you can just go ahead and add them on here. So we have, for example, D, I'm going to put O. As you can see, these kind of have gaps in between them. So if you wanted these, you can, of course, have these, but there's also solid letters as well. So you have, for example, A, you have B, you have C, whatever, and you can then go and just customize these however you want, reposition them, and basically add text that way, okay? So that's the second way to do this. The third one is going to be adding these things up here, which are called notes. So if you want to add text on here to actually tell somebody something, if you're collaborating, for example, you can just click on that, click somewhere, and then type in, for example, hello there, whatever, and when you press enter, or not enter, but out of here, it's going to pop that up, and that's going to be the text which you have added onto your Tinkercad work plane. So those are all the ways to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.